Hey guys, Mr. Mitsubishi here. YouTube channel covers a lot of Mitsubishi stuff and a lot of modifications. So today we're gonna have a look at this. We'll do a walk around on this beautiful 2022 Outlander GT, fully loaded, top of the line with light gray interior. So we did quite a few visual changes, deleted the chrome, added some accessories, put nice 22-inch wheels. They're massive, they look really good for this one. So we'll do a quick walk around video how we took a regular Outlander GT, just a stock version from the factory, and turned into this. So let's get it done. And now let's check out this beautiful Outlander. I mean, I think it turned out really great. So we took the regular Outlander GT, which is not all that regular, it's fully loaded, comes with all the options. When we turned into this, it looks spectacular. Here's a couple things we did. Let's go through them one by one. So let's start with the front right here. So what we did, we deleted the chrome right here, the dynamic shield, and in the grille there's these chrome lines that we deleted as well. We added the Outlander hood emblem, black of course, because we're going for its black theme, and this kind of makes the front looks complete. Looks really well together with A-pillars, you know how they're black right there from the factory. And then what else we did, we'd add these mirror caps, these carbon fiber looks. They look absolutely amazing, so that's what we added as well. And then if we look at the side view, of course the first thing that pops out is these nice big wheels. So we took regular wheels and we just swapped them out with these 22s. I mean, I like them, they look spectacular. They fit well, they don't rub, and they actually look really proportionate, really good on the Outlander. I love the looks, that great thing, it's awesome. So then of course we did the side molding. We took a black side molding, installed on here, nice Outlander hood, nice Outlander lettering, and this chrome line. So this is kind of basically the only chrome line left, or chrome element left on the vehicle here, but it goes really well together with these you know, roof rails, because they're like this aluminum looks, right? So that way, you know, we have some things contrasting. And on this one, it's the light gray interior. We can see how, you know, leather seats are white. This kind of like matches with that. I love the black, red and white things that you can see. So from the back, there's nothing we did here. We didn't wrap the spoiler. Sometimes we could play around a little bit with that. We didn't do it this time around, but basically I think it turned out great. And this is the light gray interior. I mean, you open the door and this looks really awesome. Even like, you know, from a distance, if we look at it, once you open the door, it looks very nice, bright, welcoming. It looks absolutely great. So let's have a look one more time what we did. The side view, I like it a lot. So we do have these 22-inch wheels, deleted chrome line right here, added mirror caps, we can see that as well. Side molding, we can have a closer look at wheels, because I often get asked many questions on the wheels. So let's try to find the size of them. So right here, 265, 35, 22s. They ride really good and they look sharp. And then the side molding, that's how it looks up close. We have nice Outlander lettering, look really good. Chrome delete around here, very good quality job. You can see how it's lined up very nicely. Very happy how it turned out. Carbon fiber looks for the mirror caps, look pretty cool if you're into carbon fiber. And then the front chrome delete, right? So this right here, all delete, and Outlander hood emblem right here. I think it turned out great. Leave a comment if you like this. This is a great package to have, great looks for the Outlander. Quite happy with the end result. So thank you so much for watching this upgrade that we did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you next time.